In today's video, I will show you how to easily create your Garmin activities video and share it with friends and family using the Garmin Sport app. It's a super simple process, so let's get started. First, tap on the Garmin Sport app icon to open it. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner and tap the profile icon. On your profile page, you'll see various statistics about your activities. Find and tap on the circle labeled Total Distance. This will display a list of all your recorded activities. Scroll through the list and select the activity you want to share. Look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the camera icon. This will open up sharing options. You'll see the option to save and share. Select this option to save the activity video to your photo album. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Garmin activity with everyone. Thanks for watching. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.